class. Welcome back to your computer class. And kids, yesterday we have finished our this chapter, that is files and folder in Windows 7. Yesterday we have finished this chapter, files and folder. We have already done yesterday. Now today we have to done some exercise question, है ना? Today we have to complete exercise question. Now after completion of exercise question, we will read this chapter once again. Though I have explained you each and every term, but still, as this chapter is bit longer, है ना? So that's why we will read it once again. A quick revision sort of thing. चलो, तो we have to do exercise question. Let us see. Self-evaluation. Okay. After reading the chapter, I know these points. So this is basically a checklist. Here you have to tick the answer, or you have to cross the answer. Okay. Okay. I know that the work done on a computer is stored in a form of a file. I know that the work done on a computer is stored in the form of file. Okay. Now, so is this statement true or false? Do you guys agree with this statement or not? So yes, we all agree with this statement. We know that now that whatever work we done in computer, we stored it in form of file. फाइल बना के ही तो स्टोर करते हैं ना. अब जैसे अगर आप कोई पेंट भी कर रहे हो, तो अगर आप उसको सेव करते हो तो वो भी आपकी एक पेंट फाइल बन के ही सेव होती है. Now next is, I know that a group of files stored under a common name is called a folder. I know that a group of files stored under a common name is called a folder. So this statement is also true. I know that a personal folder is used to store the files created by us. I know that the personal folder is used to store the file created by us. So if this is true now, that we should store all the file created by us in our personal folder. Okay. Now read the next statement. Read out the next statement. Next statement is, I know that Windows Explorer is vertically divided into two panes, that is left and right pane. So this statement is very correct, है ना? This statement is correct because we all know that क्या होता है, विंडो पेन डिवाइड होता है ना, लेफ्ट साइड एंड राइट साइड में, टू पेन्स में डिवाइड होता है ना. Okay, so we are agree with this statement also. Now moving toward the next statement, I fully know that the selected text appear to be highlighted on the screen. I fully know that the selected text appears to be highlighted on the screen. I fully know that the selected text, whatever the text I select, it appears to be highlighted. है ना? अच्छा चलो मैम करके दिखाएं इसको. सी, मैम क्या कर रहे हैं, मैम जिस टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, देखो वो हाईलाइट हो रहा है ना. सपोज मैम सेल्फ इवेल्युएशन को हाईलाइट करते, देखो मैम ने इसको सेलेक्ट किया तो ये कैसा हुआ, ये हाईलाइटेड हुआ ना. तो यहाँ पे वही चीज लिखी है. I fully know that the selected text appear to be highlighted on the screen. The text that we select, it appears to be highlighted. It appears to be highlighted on the screen. Now next is, I know that copy means creating the same file folder to a new location without removing it from its original location. Now this we have done even in our last class, है ना? This thing we have done in our last class. See, I fully know that the copy means copy जब हम करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, अपनी फाइल को एक न्यू लोकेशन पे ले जाते हैं, लेकिन हमारी फाइल ओरिजिनल लोकेशन पे भी रहती है. We do ना, ऐसा वर्क हम करते हैं ना. Now next is, so this statement is also correct. This statement is also correct. Now next is, I know that move means removing file folder from its original location and placing into a new location. So we know that moving files means removing the file folder from its original location and placing it to a new location. उसको new location पे place करना. Okay. I fully know that the deleted file moved to the recycle bin. Is it so? Is it correct? Yes. The deleted file, whatever the file we delete, it moves to the recycle bin. All those files, they move to the recycle bin. वो files कहाँ चले जाते हैं? They move to the recycle bin. Now, so this statement is also correct. So here we have completed self-evaluation. Here we have completed self-evaluation. Now next thing that we have to study is exercise question. We have to do pick the correct answer, है ना? Let us do. Okay. So the first question is, the document you create is called the document that you create, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Let us see in the book what we call it. I want to show you here in the book. Okay, see here. Okay, read here. All the work that you do in computer is stored in the form of file. All the work that we do in a computer is stored in the form of file. So the whatever work we do in a computer, we call it file. है ना? तो answer of that question will be also file. The document you create is called file. It's just like file cabinet in an office. It's just like a file cabinet in an office. So we call it folder, cupboard or file. So we called it folder. Now next question is, selected files appears dash on your screen. Now the selected file appear flashing, highlighted or colorful. Selected files appear highlighted, flashing or colorful. Tell me. So beta, the selected files appear highlighted. They appear highlighted. Changing the name of a file or folder is, when we change name of file or folder is, that is called renaming. Deleted file goes into recycle bin. Deleted file goes into recycle bin. Okay, so here we have completed tick the correct answer. Let us revise it once again. Okay, so we have just completed pick the correct answer. Now let us do a quick revision. The document you create is called, the document that we create is called file. It's just like a file cabinet in an office. Folder. Selected files appear highlighted. Changing the name of a file and folder is renaming. Deleted file goes into recycle bin. Deleted file goes into recycle bin. Okay. Now this is the second part of our exercise. This is fill in the blank. So we have to do here fill in the blank. Let us do fill in the blanks. Read the first question. What is the first question? A computer represents file as an let us search the answer. Chalo, let us search our answer. A computer represents files as an file with icon. It represents file as an icon. So our answer is files are represented as icons. They are represented as icons. So first answer is icon. So our first answer is represent file as an icons. Second question. A folder inside a folder is called. So a folder inside a folder is called subfolder. A folder inside a folder is called subfolder. Now read the third question and guess the answer. Read the third question and guess the answer. Windows Explorer is divided into Windows Explorer is divided into now Windows Explorer is divided into two panes. How many panes? Two panes. We have just read ना here. देखो यहाँ पे हमने अभी पढ़ा ना कि Windows Explorer is divided vertically into two panes, that is left pane and the right pane. Okay. Now next question is shortcut command. Shortcut command to copy a file is CTRL, that means control plus C, control plus C, CTRL plus C. Shortcut command to copy a file is control plus C. Okay, next is the file or folder you delete is stored in. Tell me where it goes. The file or folder that we delete went to the file or folder that we delete, it went to recycle bin. We have done here. Write down recycle bin. The file and folder that we delete, that goes straight into this recycle bin. Okay, so here we have done our fill in the blanks also. Let us see. A computer represents files as an icon. Folder inside a folder is called subfolder. Windows Explorer is divided into two panes. How many panes? Windows Explorer is divided into two panes. The file folder you delete is stored in the file and folder that you delete is stored in recycle bin, है ना. जो भी file folder we delete that goes straight forward to recycle bin. Chalo, let us move toward the next question. Next question is true false. Read the first question. Now write true false, write T for true and F for false statement. Okay, question number A. Every file has its unique name. Is it true or false? You tell me. So every file has its unique name. So this statement is true. Now next is folder is just like containers for files. Again it's true. Files and folder are represented with the same icon. Is it so? Files and folders are represented with the same icon. Huh? False. The statement is false. A file can have any number of folder in it. A file, read the question properly. A file can have any number of folder in it. क्या एक फाइल में a file can have any number of folder in it. Is it true or false? Beta, it's false because a folder contain many files. A file doesn't contain any folder. Okay. Windows Explorer is used to view files and folder. Is it so? Windows Explorer is used to view files and folder. Yeah, kind of true. Every file has its unique name. True. Windows Explorer is used to view files and folder. Again, that statement is true. Files and folder are represented with same icon. False. Let us see first. I have some doubt here. Is it true or false? Hmm. Okay. No. So our answer is right. Our files and folder, we do not represent files and folder with the same. We do not represent files and folder with the same sign or same icon. Now, here we have to do the question answer. Next exercise that we have to do is question answer. So our first question is define files with examples. Our first question is define files with example. Let us search the answer. Okay. So our first question was define files. So we can write that all the work that we do in our computer is get stored in file. So a file is like what? A file is like a storage house for our work. Anything that we do in computer, we stored there in files. Okay, class, instead of doing question and answer here, we will do it in our online class. Now, okay, let us do the application based question. So we are leaving question number 4 and we are moving toward question number 5. Question number 5 is, Kamal has created the files of different subjects. Kamal has created files of different subjects and stored them on the desktop. He wants to keep them in one folder named after him, but he does not know how to create a folder on the desktop. Help him to do so. Think about this problem. What you will do? बताएं हमें आप क्या करेंगे. So what happens here कि कमल हैज क्रिएटेड द फाइल. कमल ने क्या किया? अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट की फाइल स्टोर बना ली. बट अब कमल को चाहिए कि भाई सारी फाइल एक जगह इकट्ठी हो जाए. तो अब कमल क्या करेगा? अब लेकिन कमल को फोल्डर बनाना नहीं आता. सारी फाइल को किस तरह से स्टोर करना है एक जगह पे, वो कमल को नहीं आता. अब कैसे होगा? तो हमने क्या किया, अब हम कमल को सिखाएंगे हाउ टू मेक अ फोल्डर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टीच कमल दैट हाउ वी मेक अ फोल्डर. चलो तो चल पड़ो डेस्कटॉप की तरफ. सो सी, इधर डेस्कटॉप पे सबसे पहले व्हाट वी विल डू अ राइट क्लिक करके वी विल गो ऑन न्यू. और देखो न्यू पे जाते ही वी आर हैविंग अ ऑप्शन फोल्डर. हमारे पास ऑप्शन आ रहा है ना फोल्डर का. तो हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल क्लिक ऑन फोल्डर. अब देखो हमारा एक फोल्डर बन गया. और कमल को कमल के नाम का फोल्डर चाहिए, तो हमने क्या किया? इस फोल्डर का नाम हमने क्या रख दिया? कमल रख दिया. ठीक है. सी, दिस इज अ फोल्डर दैट वी हैव जस्ट क्रिएटेड. अब मान लो मैम को ये फाइल इसके अंदर भेजनी है. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन सॉल्यूशन की फाइल मैम को कमल के फोल्डर के अंदर भेजनी है. तो मैम यहाँ पे ले जाके मूव टू कमल कर देंगे. अब हम जब इस कमल नाम के फोल्डर को इफ वी विल ओपन, व्हाट वी विल सी, यहाँ पे एक फाइल ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट कर रही है ना. तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे फाइल, आई मीन फोल्डर हम कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे? वी विल डू अ राइट क्लिक ऑन द screen and then what we will do, we will go on new and फिर new पे जाके we will create a folder. Okay, let us move toward our book. Okay, now Kamal wants to move the folder to the document folder. Help him to do so. अभी हमने किया है ना. मूव कैसे करेंगे? we can move by, या तो हम ऐसे करें लॉन्ग प्रेस करें और फिर यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? वी विल कट इट. हमने यहाँ से कट किया, हम कमल के फोल्डर में गए और यहाँ पे जाके हमने पेस्ट कर दिया, है ना. एक तरीका तो ये है. और वन मोर वे देयर दैट हमने क्या किया, हम बस सिंपली इसको क्या किए, हम ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर दिए. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप से भी क्या होता है? ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करने से भी व्हाट हैपन, ये देखो तीनों अलग अलग क्या बन गई हैं. तीनों अलग अलग फाइल्स जो हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉप की थी कमल के फोल्डर में, वो वहां पे आ चुकी है. ओके किड्स, नाउ so here we have completed this chapter. Only question answer is remaining. Now let us do some of the revision of the thing. So this chapter deals about files and folder. So we know that any type of work that we do in our computer, we call it any work that we do in a computer, we call it a file. The file contains anything like drawing and every file has its own unique name. ठीक है, तो देखो फाइल्स में क्या क्या हो सकता है. फाइल्स कैन कंटेन ड्राइंग, टेक्स्ट, पिक्चर, साउंड एटसेट्रा. नाउ हमने एक और बात सीखी कि एवरी फाइल हैज इट्स ओन यूनिक नेम. फाइल की क्या हो सकती है, अपनी खुद की यूनिक नेम हो सकती है ना. हर फाइल की अपनी खुद की एक यूनिक नेम होती है. ओके, नाउ moving ahead, folder. A folder is a location for organizing your file. ना folder क्या होता है, folder क्या है, एक लोकेशन है जहां पे हम क्या करते हैं, फाइल्स को लोग मूव करते हैं. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ फाइल कैबिनेट इन एन ऑफिस, जहां पे हम क्या करते हैं, सारे फाइल्स को क्या करते हैं, प्रॉपरली स्टोर करते हैं, है ना. फाइल कैबिनेट में जैसे हम अपनी बुक कॉपी सारी अरेंज करके रखते हैं ना, मैथ्स की कॉपी, मैथ्स की बुक, और जब मैथ्स का पीरियड होता है तो आप मैथ्स की बुक कॉपी निकालते हो, है ना. सिमिलरली जब आपका ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली जब आपका कोई फाइल क्या होता है, हम यहाँ पे फोल्डर में व्हाट वी डू, फोल्डर में वी सेव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फाइल ऑल टुगेदर. ठीक है, अलग जैसे यहाँ पे देखो एक फाइल कैबिनेट का एग्जांपल बना के दिया है ना, सी इधर एक फाइल कैबिनेट का एग्जांपल बना के दिया है. यहाँ पे देखो प्रोग्राम्स इज रिटन देयर, डॉक्यूमेंट इज रिटन देयर, लेटर्स इज रिटन देयर. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हियर वी कैन सेव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फाइल. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अब जैसे प्रोग्राम कोई फाइल होगा वो प्रोग्राम में सेव होगी, डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल डॉक्यूमेंट में, एंड लेटर फाइल लेटर में सेव होगी. नाउ किड्स, इससे एक बात हमें समझ में आ गई कि यहाँ पे हमने जो इसे see here what we have done in true false, see this true false. A folder is just like a container for files. क्या फोल्डर बस एक फाइल का कंटेनर है? नो, फोल्डर क्या होता है, फोल्डर इज नॉट जस्ट लाइक अ कंटेनर, इट्स लाइक अ कैबिनेट जहां पे सारी फाइल्स अलग अलग जगह, यहाँ पे क्या होती है, सारी फाइल्स क्या होती हैं, अलग अलग जगह स्टोर होती है ना. तो इट्स देखो कंटेनर क्या होता है, कंटेनर में हम एक के बाद एक चीज डालते जा सकते हैं, लेकिन फाइल्स में हम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. अब फोल्डर में हम ऐसा नहीं करते, फोल्डर में अगर हमारी डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल रहेगी तो वो अलग रहेगी, म्यूजिक फाइल अलग रहेगी, वीडियोस अलग रहेंगे. ओके, ओके. So there are some few things that I want you to recall, like searching a file. अच्छा, why do we search file? We search file because these files are stored in various folders throughout the hard drive. हार्ड ड्राइव में फाइल्स कहाँ, दूर दूर कहीं कहीं तो सेव होती हैं. तो उनको सर्च करने के लिए what we do, we go on start button, we click on right, we click the right key and we click on search. और यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फाइल को क्या कर सकते हैं, we can search file from here, है ना, we can search file from there ना. Okay, so kids, here we have finished our chapter 4 also, and we have done the exercise question also. Now we will move toward some next question, some next chapter in our next exercise. Okay, in our next video. So bye bye.